Hey guys, Chris here from OmniMetrics and welcome back to the OmniView tutorial series. In today's video, I will be going through the trouble tickets feature within OmniView. Now, trouble tickets will actually allow you to create action items on specific alarms. That way, if you have low fuel, the engine's running too long, overcrank, underspeed, low coolant, any potential issue that would prevent the generator from running in an emergency situation or cutting on in general, that's what these trouble tickets are designed to do. So you can go in, acknowledge the issue, and get them fixed so you don't have any problems in the future. So without further ado, let's dive in and take a look. Now, before we get started, there are two things that I want to mention about trouble tickets. Number one, this is a feature designed for dealers, not end users. So you will need company admin or company user access to utilize the trouble ticket feature. Number two, you cannot set up trouble tickets on persistent alarms. So I wanted to mention that at the beginning of this video, that way you don't get to the end and realize that this may not be something for you. So let's hop right in. You'll need to log into OmniView. So first, go to omnimetrics.net. Since my last video, the website has received an update, so it may look a little bit different if you have not been there in the meantime, but everything's in the same spot. So you'll go to the navigation and find OmniView in the top right-hand corner. Click OmniView Login. It'll take you to OmniView. Now, first, I will show you how to identify and or set up trouble tickets for a specific unit. So once you log in, select the unit itself, go to Configuration on the left-hand side, and then Alert Edits. This will take you to this screen, and it will show you the specific alarms here in this column. Now, how can I tell if there's a trouble ticket already set up? If you see the asterisk by the label, so this gen running with the asterisk, battery voltage low, coolant temperature high, fuel pressure low, those all actually have trouble tickets set up. If I wanted to create a trouble ticket for a specific alarm, all I have to do is add the asterisk. So for this line, testing, just click on it and it'll allow you to edit, add the asterisk. Top right-hand corner, just hit Save Changes, and it will generate a trouble ticket for this alarm every time it goes off. Let's just say you need to edit and or add new, remove. Just go in, do the exact same thing in reverse, remove the asterisk, save changes, and that's how you can see and create trouble tickets. Now, if you want to view trouble tickets that you've gotten notifications for, you would simply go into View on the left-hand column, scroll down, and click Trouble Tickets. This will show you all the trouble tickets for your company. So if you do get a notification that you have one, this is where you would actually find them. It has the ticket ID, which will be in this column, the ticket type, the unit ID, machine description, last update, as well as the status. So if you're a manager trying to see the status, you can actually sort by just clicking here, and it will sort based on the status. You can sort by the ticket ID if you're trying to find it. If you have a specific ticket ID that you are looking for, you can just type it in here and it will filter. So I'm going to type in this specific ticket ID and search, and it'll find the ticket ID for you. So it makes it a little bit easier to find what you're looking for. So we'll go in here and let's just say I received the trouble ticket 1 notification for this. I'm going to click in here and I'll be able to see all the actual trouble ticket details. So anytime someone logged in and acknowledged the trouble ticket, you'll be able to see the details here. It'll have a detail ID for tracking purposes, a timestamp. You can put notes in there as well, along with the acknowledgement. So how do I clear a trouble ticket? You would just simply go to Acknowledge. And in this instance, let's just say engine is running and has persisted for 481 minutes. So the generator is constantly running and we need to figure out what it is. I'm going to go to Acknowledge and click here, and I'm going to select a status. Now, if I'm a company user and I'm going to check on the generator, I would just simply say service in transit. If I'm on site, you can say I'm on site. You can say you've diagnosed it, ticket closed, on hold, pending repair. So there's a lot of different options that can help you update the status here as well as notes. So let's just say I'm in transit because I have scheduled an appointment for this afternoon. I would hit submit and that would actually close the trouble ticket out. Now, how can you tell if a trouble ticket's been missed? If you get trouble ticket 1, as I mentioned, that means the notification has been within the first 24 hours. If you receive trouble ticket 2, that means it's been over 24 hours. So if you're a manager trying to keep track of your team, trying to make sure things are addressed in that timely manner, if you receive trouble ticket 2, that's probably something you need to hop on, especially in this situation where you can see the generator's been running for quite a while. It may burn through fuel. If it's something like over crank or under speed, it's obviously going to cause an issue of the generator turning on and operating properly. So that's trouble tickets. It's a great way to work in conjunction with the maintenance schedule feature that we have. If you haven't seen that video, that's within our OmniView tutorial series. But this is specifically designed for those urgent issues that you really want to make sure you hop on, whereas a maintenance schedule setup would be more for that preventative type stuff. So as I like to end all these videos, I do want to show you the customer support section here on the left-hand side. If you click it, it will have the customer support form. This will put you in touch with our in-house tech support team to help you with any issue that you may have. You have OMV 2.0 feedback. This will allow you to provide us with suggestions that would better enhance OmniView for you. Any type of features, again, the maintenance schedule, that was something that was suggested to us that we added. So anything that we can help your user experience within OmniView, you can fill out in that form there. As well as video tutorials like this, install guides, new products. You can click that link and it'll take you to more videos that will really keep you updated with all of the things that are going on here at OmniMetrics. So on behalf of all of us, thank you for your support and partnership, and we'll see you next time.